Hello gurus and welcome to another episode. We're looking at having breakfast with this view, which is beautiful, the Colosseum. We're going to be jumping into the charts for Bitcoin. Bitcoin pumping. MCRT was up 20% yesterday. It was massive. Huge movements on the news that Huobi will be listing MagicCraft MCRT. That will happen on the 6th of October. Huobi just announced that they will list it, but the actual listing takes place on the 6th of October, which is really big news because Huobi is the 5th biggest exchange in the world, which is epic. And that's just one of the SECs. Now we're on Huobi, BitGet, Bitmart, MEXC, and then decentralized exchanges, PancakeSwap, and many more. But we're just getting started. My goal is to be on all the top 10 exchanges, and also my goal is to make MagicCraft the number one, like the biggest company in the world. I'm already retired multi-millionaire. My goal is to make the biggest company in the world. I want to take on Apple, and I don't care if it's bear market, bull market. MagicCraft has been building during the bear market. We've been making noise. We're one of the most popular projects during the bear market, up more than 700% since the bottom of the bear market. While the rest of the market's still in the red or barely moving, we're up 700%. I don't care if it's bull or bear. These are just narratives. Apple made $400 billion this year, on track to make $400 billion. PUBG made $5 billion this year. So you can still make money. Doesn't matter the market or the narratives. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to the technicals. Bitcoin, and in my opinion, if you took those trades from yesterday, you're massively up on Bitcoin. And this is the bigger trade that I have set up, and it looks like Bitcoin only has a few days left. We have just a few days left for this breakout to end. We have 4 days and 4 hours remaining until I think Bitcoin breaks this massive red bear market that started on November 11th. If you follow my videos, I called the day of the top on November 11th up here at 69,000. We've been trending down this red bear market line, and the end of the bear market is in sight. It's either, in my opinion, Bitcoin is going to break out here. We have T-minus 4 days. The stochastic is slightly overbought, still midway heading up. A lot of volume coming in. That's why I think we're 4 hourly we're overbought. Hourly we're heading down, so a bit of a pullback. But look at this buy. In the last hour, there was a massive buy. 5,000 Bitcoin was bought, and that sent up the price. And this looks very bullish, this chart, to me. It's coiling here. It's building pressure multiple times. It held on this support, and it's coiling. It's going for this red bear market line at 19,700, and then I think it's going to break through. If you took that trade from yesterday, you're already up a lot. Move your stop loss into profits now. The target is still the same, 23,400. If you haven't taken the trade, I would open the trade where we are right now, a little bit lower, stop loss just underneath here, and the take profit keeping it at that $23,000 mark. So risk 9 to ratio to trade 430 and make 3,888 without leverage. With 10x leverage, 38,000. That's a trade I would take on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin, underneath this video, in the description down below, you can sign up to Bybit. You get a $4,450 sign-up bonus when you sign up to Bybit. Bybit is also one of the bigger exchanges, and there will be news coming up shortly about that as well. You can also get MCRT on PancakeSwap, BitGet, Bitmart, MEXC, and we will be listing on the 6th. Did I say? Yeah. MCRT will be listed on Huobi Global. Start trading on the 6th of October. This is the 5th biggest exchange in the world, which is really big news for MCRT. And MCRT is reacting amazing on this news. Up massively. It's up 14%, 13.89% today, 12.8% against Bitcoin, 12.5% against Ethereum. It's ranked 589. It's now $20.5 million market cap with massive volume, $1.4 million of volume, 162% up in volume. And this is the chart from yesterday, massive up. This is the chart the last 7 days, so hopefully you didn't sell down there at the bottom. This is the month. This is the monthly chart, still almost even on the month. And this is the 3-month chart, up more than 700% in the last 3 months during the bear market from the bottom. And we've been building during this time. You can get MCRT on PancakeSwap. Right now, if you followed the videos yesterday, a few days ago, $1,000 got you 100,000 MCRT. Now $1,000 gets you 74,000 MCRT. $100 gets you 7,457 MCRT. So, and my goal is to make it, we're just getting started. You can also stake your MCRT at app.magicraft.io. 515 million MCRT is currently staked. You get 26% interest per year APR and different lockup periods with different bonuses. But that's more than half a billion tokens currently staked, and that's huge because the circulating supply is around 1.7 billion. So nearly around 30% of the circulating supply is currently staked, and MCRT going up a lot, which is beautiful. Let's see what other news. Apple on track to make revenue. This is what I tweeted on Twitter. You can follow me on Twitter, James Crypto Guru. Apple on track to make revenue of 400 billion this year. PUBG 5 billion this year. I don't believe in narratives. Bear bull. My goal with MCRT Magicraft is to make the biggest company in the world. In Magicraft team meetup is in 3 days, so you can meet the entire team. Come join us in Dubai. We're going to have conferences. We're going to have stands at the conference. We'll be at the Dubai Expo, so you can come meet the team. This will be the stands like this, and you'll be able to play the Magicraft game and verse people at the stands. We're going to have a lot of devices, Android, iOS, and you'll be able to play and verse people at the Blockchain Economy on the 4th to the 5th of October at the Le Meridian Dubai Hotel. Come meet us. There'll be 3,000 attendees, 110 journalists, 80 sponsors, 60 countries. I'll be speaking on stage there, and we will have the MCRT team there as well. The meetup is in 3 days. Percent drawdown from previous all-time high. Bitcoin is coming down to where it came down nearly every time it drew back. We're very close to the bottom, in my opinion. I think we've bottomed. I called it a few days ago. When you've been holding for 6 months and finally sell and the price doubles 5 minutes later, what happened at MCRT? Incredible heads up. Thanks, James. 500k MCRT investment. I believe in you and the project. Keep on posting. MCRT yesterday, this was on the 30th of September. Bitcoin down slightly. Ethereum down. MCRT up 18%. Meta down 3%, Doge Cake down 3%. So MCRT was a green in the sea of red and up massive on that Huobi announcement, which is beautiful. It'll be listed on Huobi on 6th of October. We have more than 5,000 people for the VIP closed beta. This is the gameplay footage as well. Some of the gameplay footage with the team.
It was just story because I let you show me the niceness.
That was some of the gameplay footage. This will be some of the merchandise and things at the event. We shared it in the Telegram, which is beautiful. You can join us in the Magicraft game chat. More than 51,000 members in there. Big congratulations to all of you who've been following the project. It's up massive. This was me calling the bottom 2 days ago on the 27th of September. Funnily enough, we have moved up quite a lot since then, and that was me calling the day of the top on the 10th of November. So I have called the bottom on Bitcoin. It's not financial advice. This is what I believe is going to happen. New listing on Huobi. MCRT deposits open on the 6th, which is beautiful. That was announced 9 hours ago. Yes. Big congratulations to anyone who's in MCRT, up 700% during the bear market. At the peak, it was up 1,500%, but we're just at $18 million market cap. To put that in perspective, Axie Infinity's $1.1 billion market cap, more than around 70 times from where we are right now. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button. I'm in here in beautiful Rome at the Colosseum having breakfast. Now got to eat. Got latte and prosciutto and croissant and beautiful fiance. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.